Hey everyone, welcome back to xlog. I'm Xander. Today is quarantine day 10 and tomorrow is quarantine day 11. Today we are going to unbox quarantine care package. So let's see what's inside. So before I came back to Taiwan, I did some research and I found out that you will receive these quarantine care packages. These packages vary between districts, so I was pretty excited to see what's in my package. And let's see what's in the package. Drum roll please. That's it. I get 14 masks. That's it. I don't even know if I'm gonna use these. Like, I'm not even going to see anyone during these 14 days. I guess it's useful after I am finished with my quarantine. But luckily, I have a friend in another district that actually got their care package. So I was thinking, instead of unboxing mine, how about let's unbox her care package? Thank you for joining us. First, can you show us the package? Like the size of the package. Yeah.
Here.
And then mine is here. That's pretty sad. Alright, so let's get to unbox your package.
So this is a quarantine handbook and it has information about the current pandemic, and then on the first page it says to keep Taiwan safe, it's up to you and me. And there are a bunch of contact numbers that you can call if you have any problems or any questions. And then I've been using it as scratch paper for my online class.
Oh wow, I spot Doritos. I want some snacks. These Doritos are a bit bigger than the small packs in the US. On the package, the red seems to be a different color of red as well. And then here's a folder. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's just masks like mine. And wow, what is this? We have 自然的盐. Those are some healthy, tasty crackers that I've been eating since elementary school. This is green onion flavor and there's dried seaweed on them.
Next up, they provided us with some QR codes for like music streaming videos if you want to watch. And so you can also use them for online shopping. And since I'm not using any of them, you can just feel free to scan them. Then we have this 强身健康宝药膳.
Looks like it's some sort of Chinese medicine that can strengthen your body and increase your health points. It says to cook it with chicken, but I don't think you have an oven there, right?
Right, I don't think I can cook anything because I don't have any bowls or any of that. So they're just there. These are pork chop, chicken flavored instant noodles. They look nice. Oh, and we have 小王子面, little pizza.
I want that. That is unfair. This is essentially a dry noodle snack where the inside is crushed dry noodles with some pepper, green onion, and salt.
Full of preservatives.
And then here are some trash bags. Oh, they provided some 氯定 chlorine dioxide tablets. This is pretty cool. There are instructions on it that says you can just add 20 liters of water to a 15-gram tablet and it will produce a 500 milligram per liter of disinfecting liquid that you can use to clean. So basically, disinfecting spray DIY.
Here we have some milk peanut soup. And then this is babaozhou, which I believe is 8 treasure porridge. It's a common Taiwanese snack, according to my roommate. And I think Taiwanese people eat it for breakfast. There's different kinds of grains, peanuts, oatmeal, red beans, mung bean, long yan, in that can. And we have 100% apple juice from EVA Airlines. Fun fact, whenever the plane is flying to Taipei, it's most likely flying to Taoyuan and not Taipei. And then there's some QR codes on the back that you can scan to get some like cool stuff, I guess. Next up we have some milk, fake milk I call it, because it's so it can be stored for like a really long time and you don't have to refrigerate it. So it's probably full of preservatives as well. And then we have this antibacterial hand sanitizer. It looks really religious. Oh wow, that's very cute. There's Mazu on it. So Mazu is a goddess that many Taiwanese people worship. Many sailors will go to a temple and pray because she's often associated to being able to help people avoid like typhoons. She's a protector of island countries. So I guess in this sense, Mazu's gonna protect us from coronavirus.
Everyone needs some mazu right here.
And at last we have 2 sugarless oolong cha. So 无糖 oolong cha, sugarless. It's healthy.
Wow, alright. Let's look at everything you have. Look at this. And then look at this.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get in.
Okay, so let's get back to me.
Thank you again for unboxing. Is there anything you want to say?
Wear a mask, practice social distancing, and stay safe. Thanks for having me.
So thank you again for sharing your goods with us. If you want to know more about my daily life, please check out my Instagram right here. If you enjoy my videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.